Hello, in front of me I've got Eonobuds 2. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset of your earbuds. In the beginning, take one of the earbuds out of the charging case. The earbud will turn on and the white indicator will keep flashing. After the voice of pairing mode, touch the multifunction key 7 times. The white indicator will flash fast 5 times and then turn off. At this time, the earbud turns off. Put back the earbud into the charging case and take other one and repeat the same steps. Now put both earbuds back into the charging case. And now take both earbuds out of the charging case. Both flash indicators will flash fast. Then one earbud will flash slow and the other one won't flash. The resetting process is complete. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.